Silver nanoparticles find diverse utility in antimicrobial agents, drug delivery procedures, biomedical applications as imaging probes, and different diagnostic and optoelectronic platforms. The silver nanoparticles can be prepared in general using chemical reduction, microwaves, pulse radiolysis, X-ray radiolysis, electrochemical methods, and hydrothermal. The hydrothermal or solvothermal methods include two steps, that is of crystal nucleation and the subsequent growth. By controlling the processing variables such as temperature, pH, reaction concentration, and other additives, we can tailor the desired particle size, surface morphology, and the structures of the obtained nanoparticles. And why did we choose the curcumin stabilized silver nanoparticles for this work? The curcumin is a major polyphenol that exists in the turmeric. The bio-derived capping agents can avoid the use of other chemical or physical procedures which can be harmful towards the environment. Although the biogenic procedures have one downside, that is they consume more time, and hence the use of ultrasonic radiation is adopted to enhance this reaction. The free radicals that are generated as the application of ultrasonication proceeds are responsible for the reduction of silver. The beauty of the ultrasound assisted method is that the synthesis was carried out in the single step method, and the synthesized nanoparticles were characterized using UV visible FTIR and TEM analysis. And for the first time, we used the curcumin capped silver nanoparticles as corrosion inhibitors for carbon steel in 1 molar sulfamic acid using a detailed analysis of electrochemical surface and spectroscopic. First of all, the electrochemical corrosion tests were undertaken, in which we observed that the inhibition efficiency rose with the inhibitor concentration, and a high efficiency of 94.57% was obtained at an inhibitor dose of 800 mg per liters. And a charge transfer control of the corrosion and inhibition process was obtained. In the potential dynamic polarization studies, we obtained that the corrosion currents decrease with the continuous addition of corrosion inhibitor, and a mixed type behavior with cathodic predominance was observed. And the absorption of the corrosion inhibitor over the metal surface was tested using several different adsorption isotherms, among which the Langmuir isotherm provided the best results with a mixed physical and chemical adsorption. Then the surface analysis of the adsorbed corrosion inhibitor film was carried out using the scanning electron microscopy and Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. And an improvement in the surface smoothness in the presence of inhibitor film supported the inhibitor adsorption. And the characteristic peaks of the corrosion inhibitor at 3400, around 2900, and around 1500 per centimeter supported the inhibitor adsorption on the metal surface. This picture shows a tentative schematic of the adsorption of the inhibitor on the steel surface. The major significance of the present work was that the inhibitor was synthesized using a single-step green protocol and showed a high efficiency at low inhibitor concentration in the acid solution. And this work has a potential industrial application because sulfamic acid is used as a cleaning agent in sugar industry. The title of this work is Curcumin Decorated Silver Nanoparticles as Bio-Inspired Corrosion Inhibitors for Carbon Steel. And these are the contributing authors to this work. Thank you very much.